I would like to say welcome back to our semester. Welcome back to my classroom again after a long-term vacation. Is it about vacation or do you still have class? Still have class. So we have an online class. How many days do we have an online class? How many days? We start from Monday to Monday again, that's right?
Yes.
So how many days do you have an online class? 6 days. So do you think an online class is better rather than this class? Which one is better for you? From your opinion, which one is better? Online is better. Can you give a reason why? Don't you miss me? If online is better, can you give the reason? The good one from the online class rather than this class? Why? Or you say that online is better. Why do you like online class rather than the real class? You can explain in bahasa. No reason. Okay, how about your opinion? Which one is good? Online is better rather than real class. Do you agree with him? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, anybody else can tell me why the online class is better rather than this class? Apa yang paling bagusnya dari online class? You can explain in bahasa. No? Do you agree with that? No. So, which one do you prefer, online or offline? Offline, of course. You can meet with your friends. You can meet me. At least you still have money from your parents. That's right. If it is an online class, do your parents still give you money? Yes, your parent is so best, the best parent in the world, yeah. For me myself, I am also a mother. I didn't give any money to my kids while online class. Online class I think is better. What do you think about this room? Which one is better rather than your room? Okay, which one do you prefer, this room or your room? This room. Okay, welcome to this cool and cozy room. So today, what will we discuss about? Yes, still continue from our material in online class. Do you still remember what did you do in online class? Did you do some exercise for online? What is about? Can you tell me the topic of the exercises?
Time schedule.
Time schedule, great, thank you. How about you? What did you do during online class? Did you write something? Did you do homework? No, you can open the book so you will memory will come. How about you guys? Do you have a schedule for online class? Special schedule?
Yes.
Yeah. So, do you still remember? For English class, on what day that we have a schedule for English class? You forgot about that? Who knows? Who still remember about the schedule for online class? Special for English, on what day it happened? Online class for English. Kamu harinya aja lupa apalagi materinya ya. Okay, so what day we have an online class for English schedule? What subject did you have on Monday? Indonesian language good, iya man, it's good. Ini sama seperti icon memorinya. Okay. How about on last Tuesday? No idea. Tuesday, please. Forget or you feel nervous with the guess. Hari lupa atau karena nervous. Okay. Who still remember? Special for English. Don't you write a date on your exercise book? On Wednesday, great. On Wednesday. So last Wednesday you did some exercise at home for an online class. That's about a study habit or routine. Okay. That is the conclusion. Itu kesimpulan ya. Okay. So for today we will continue to discuss about that topic. As you see, like this. I can swipe it. Okay, let's see. Let's play the game first before we discuss about the lesson. Yeah. This game is a kind of stand if. I think we have ever tried this kind of activity. Please remember, you can stand up. Stand. You can stand like me. Stand up. This is sit down, stand up. Yeah. You can stand up if the statement or the sentence is relate with you. Oh, this is gue banget, so you can stand up. If the sentence is not relate with you, you can just sit down. Okay? First one, I have to listen to the music when studying at home. No, in the classroom, of course, no. That's about study habits, study routine at home. Is it relate for you? If yes, you can stand up. Okay, stand up. Only two of you, or you don't understand with the statement. Okay, what kind of music that you like? K-pop. Do you have a special idol for that? Blackpink. So do I. I also Blackpink. How about you? What kind of music that you listen? You usually listen while studying.
All genre.
All genre. How about romantic or Nina Bobo? Okay. Do you also listen for it? Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. And you also, you want to say something? What music that you usually listen to? Happy music, okay. How about the others? Don't you like listen to music while studying? For me myself, I don't like to listen to music while studying because it will distract me. Yeah, but some others may like listen to music while studying. Jadi gaya belajar orang berbeda-beda. Ada yang sambil while listen to music, ada yang tidak, kudu silent way, kudu dalam itu silent. For me myself, I don't like to listen to music because it will distract me. Mana yang mau didengarkan? Okay. Thank you for your participation. Next, stand if. You can stand up if. I have to drink warm chocolate when studying. Do you prefer a glass of warm chocolate before you do homework? How about you? How about you? You can stand up? No? Not really. You don't want to stand up because you worry I will ask you? Okay, don't worry about that. Only one? Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. What kind of drink that you prefer before study? Tea, coffee? Coffee shop. Expensive, guys. Okay. So you should go to the coffee shop to finish your homework. You must have much money for that. Okay. How about who else? And you, what do you prefer for before you study? Something to drink, for example? Fresh water, coffee, he should go to the coffee shop to get his hungry. And how about you? Also coffee shop. I think this class is a very rich man, rich class. Okay, yeah. You should go to the coffee shop to do the homework. Oh my God. How about the others? Who want to say? Who want to tell about the experience? Glass of milk maybe? Or I want to ask you, do you think is that a warm chocolate or cool chocolate based on the picture? Is that warm or cool? Cool, yeah. Why do you think that picture is a cool chocolate? You don't have any idea? How about you? Do you agree with me? That picture is a cool chocolate, it's not a warm chocolate. Do you agree? Yes or no? No, so do you think that picture is a warm chocolate? Yes, okay. Yeah, we can say this one a warm chocolate. Do you know the meaning of warm and cool? Yes, worm. What the worm is should have smoke in here. I think, yeah, kudu ada smoke in it. How about cool? It should be, what is this? Ice inside. So it will make the drink cool, become cool. Ya, jadi warm and cool itu penting in your daily life. Kalau ketemu dispenser, ada yang tulisan warm, ada yang cool, itu penting ya. Jadi jangan sampai salah. Next question, Sarah. If I limit screen time, do you know the meaning of screen time? Apa itu? Screen time lagi. So, please stand up kalau you limit your screen time. Tapi kalau while during online class, feel free to access any apps. You can still sit down. Stand up if you limit the screen time. 3, 2, 1, please stand up. No, you don't limit your screen time. Really, are you sure? I want to ask you, how many times do you access the screen a day? How many hours a day? 3 hours. 3 hours a day. Is it okay? I think for during free time. How about you? How many hours a day do you usually access or do you usually have screen time? How many hours? 1 hour? Only 2 hours. Are you sure? What apps do you access for 2 hours? What apps is that? Okay, can you tell me what game is that? Free Fire. So you only spend 2 hours for an app. 3 hours, only 3 hours. Are you sure? Tadi 2 jam, sekarang sudah meningkat, guys. Offline lah dia, tambah lagi meningkat. Okay. Make it sure you can count how many hours do you access your screen. How about you? Do you limit your screen? No limit, even when you sleep. Oh, limit. I'm not sure about that. You limit for how many hours a day? Forget, you didn't count how many hours is that, so it means that you don't limit your screen time. How about you, girl? 2 hours a day, and you? Only 2 hours a day. Okay. Oh well. Is that related with a study habit? Yeah, we may pay attention with this. We will discuss after this. Next. if I have to study in quiet, this is gue banget. I have to study in quiet and peaceful place without any distraction. This is relate with me. I will stand up. How about the others? Stand up, please. If it is relate with you, you can stand up and don't worry. No one. Okay. Only one. Only 1, 2, 3. Oh, many. Many. Yeah. I will ask from someone. Oh, we can start from here. I have to study in quiet. So what place that you choose?
My bedroom.
Your bedroom is so quiet and without any distraction. Good idea. We can copy this way. How about you? What place do you prepare for a quiet and peaceful place? Your living room is so cozy and quiet. Thank you. Sit down, please. How about you? What place do you prefer? Your bedroom, your private room. Okay, thank you. Sit down. How about you? Your living room. Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. And the last one. Okay, last but not the least. What place do you prefer? Oh, you also choose a garden. Garden is a cozy place and a very peaceful without any distraction except mungkin semut yang mendistract you ya. Okay, for study in quiet. Thank you. And what's next? What? Here we go. Study every day. Which one is you? If you study every day, even 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes a day, you can give a sign like this. If you study only before exam, ASTS, ASAS, you can give a sign, izin. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, give a sign, please. Okay, alright. Okay, can you give me a reason? Okay, thank you. Alright, for you that study every day. Okay, so mana yang pilih study every day tadi? Okay, so how many times a day for you to study?
1 hour 30 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutes a day. You always spend that time every day. Yeah, that's great. And how about you? Do you prepare for eating or for this time? Study every day. So how many hours a day do you spend the time for study? 1 hour a day. What time is that? You can start on what time do you start for study? In the evening, in the afternoon? In the afternoon, what time is that? You're not sure about the timing? How about you? Do you prefer for easy or a long side? Okay, long side. So you always study every day? Yes. How about the one that chooses side easy? Ayo ngaku, be honest please. Where are you? Okay, you prepare for study only before exam. Can you give a reason? You can tell me in bahasa or in English.
Soalnya biar kalau nyangkut langsung nyangkut.
Alright, that's her strategy. Yeah, we may have a different strategy based on the Tara's strategy. She will choose this way, study before exam, and some of you choose the strategy study every day. Oke, semua gaya belajar ini nanti akan kita discuss plus minusnya. Oke, dari keduanya. Oke, class. What's the next? Okay. Alright, that's about study habit and the way you study habitually. But for the next section, I will divide you into some groups. Ya, jadi mem akan membagi you into some groups and you will play the activity in some station, you know. Jadi nanti akan didistribute cutting of text. Jadi nanti ada potongan dari teks. You will find your circle by the destiny. Jadi berdasarkan takdir circle-nya. Ma'am, I don't like them. They are not my bestie. Don't worry about that. Yeah, you will find a new one berdasarkan takdir. I will distribute it to you, and you will find your circle based on the text, this text. Ya, jadi nanti ditemukan sambungannya. Okay, and you will sit in your circle. Oh my God, ya. Jadi you nanti duduk berdasarkan circle. Okay, and then for the next, I will explain to you what you should do. Okay, you can pick one. Okay, hurry up please. One by one. Pick randomly, don't choose anything. Okay, just pick up one, only one. One. Okay. And you, one by one. Thank you, and you again. Next. Again, randomly don't choose the picture of the text. You will find your circle by the destiny. Berdasarkan takdir nanti circle. Yep. I still have some. I hope it will enough for all of you. So you will be the judges. You jadi jurinya nanti ya. Okay, you will be the judges. Well, class, you can read the cutting paper, read the text on you, and after that we are going to moving from this class to find your circle based on the text that you get. Yeah, I have prepared for 3 topics that text about Yaya's study, Mutia's study habit, and also my study habit. Find your circle. Stand up please. All of you stand up please. And try to find your circle based on the text. Don't change your paper. Be honest and sit in your circle in 5 minutes from now. 5 menit dari sekarang.
Nama-nama sama lawan Pak. Coba main dia Jaya. Cari lagu. Cari mana sambungannya? Apa? Tahu. Beri aku ya. Gampang lu.
Makanya aku harus cari teman biar aku
Lama kesamanya. Kita nomor biro.
Okay, if you have found your circle, you can sit down in the circle. Not yet. Okay, try hard. You should read the whole of the text so you can find your circle. Have you found your circle? Not yet. Try hard. Okay, how about this? You have found your circle. Good job. This is the winner. Okay, the winner we can say this as a group one. How about you have found your circle? Sudah? Okay, then you have your one. You can sit down. Yeah, everywhere that you like. So it means that is it not your circle? Okay, I have seen. How about you? Okay, sit. You can sit everywhere that you like. Good job. You did. I can sit. You can have a seat right there.
Biro Pak.
Okay, just actually around and help others.
Biro Pak.
Okay, I will count 2 minutes more. 1, 2, 3. Still, the group is there. Should I help you? Can you find your way? Same part. You can change with other group. You can see in the group or that group. This is the same part with that. Make it. You can match this. Try to match. Try to match. How about you? What part? Yeah, the opening. That way. Okay, let's see the group one. Yeah, the easiest one. Good job.
ada bersama masih dapat di Canggu.
Yang tinggal.
Nah, kita sudah tahu. Iya.
You missed one part. I think this one. How about this? Okay. Continue on. Miss something? One. Ini dia. Mana yang punya Stephen tadi? I think Stephen. Okay. You got it. That's it. One. You can sit everywhere you want. Come here. Stephen group. Stephen's group. Hello. Come here. Sudah okay, Stephen? Okay, have a seat. You can sit down on that way. Have a seat, please. And you go out. The last you can break out with this. And you get it? You want to stand up or sit down? Just stand up and have a seat. From there. Have enough space. Well, class, if you can hear my voice, please clap one. Okay, if you can see me, my face in front of you, please clap twice. Alright, thank you for your hard working. So, the next session, they are not my bestie. Don't worry, this is just for class activity. Yeah? We don't have the same hobby with this group, ma'am. Don't worry about that, guys. Yeah? This is just for class activity for a while. Okay? Okay? So we can say as group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and group 6. Right? So, what we are going to do in this group, ma'am? Okay, so you will discuss in this group and try to find a keyword from every text, from your text. Find a keyword about study habit. For example, study while listening, or study, or for example, study limit screen, like that, like we have discussed before, limit screen, or a study while listening to music, or what else? Somebody else suggest. Study in the quiet and peaceful place, okay, and many things. Based on the text, you can make like a mind mapping like this, a very colorful mind mapping, or you can also choose the basic one, home, yeah, and I hope you can make it more aesthetic, yeah, more aesthetic and colorful. But before you write down on this board, sebelum you menuangkannya ke dalam mind mapping on this board, interactive panel, please discuss in your group what you are going to write down on this one, a modern board. Do you understand what I mean? Yes? Any questions so far? No? So what you are going to do in the group? What mind mapping? Find a keyword first and create a mind mapping. Okay, what you are going to do in this group? Discussion and mind mapping. How about you? What you are going to do in the group? What you are going to do in the group? No idea. Okay, create a mind mapping. Do you know mind mapping? This is some example of mind mapping like this. Balut-balut begini nanti ya, atau seperti yang tadi mana coba? Okay, or a colorful one like this. Yeah. You should read the whole of the text so you can find a keyword like this. And if you got it, come to this flat panel so you will not write down on your book but you will design on this board. Okay? Jadi tidak desain di buku tapi desainnya in front of this. So we'll open. No, wrong way. This one. Okay. You can change the background and try to make mind mapping like before. Okay, you can draw in here. This one for group 1, and then for group 2, group 3, group 4. Who will be the faster will come first to the whiteboard. Apa sih namanya? PID, whiteboard in your classroom. Okay. Do you understand what you're going to do? Yes? Okay, go on. First, you should read the whole of the text to find a keyword. You harus baca in the group untuk menemukan keywordnya. Kalau sudah okay, raise hand and come to the whiteboard. Whiteboard lagi, IFT. Or I will make I will give you only 5 minutes for discussion, and if you got it, you can come to me. As your reference, you can also open your textbook. Di textbook itu juga ada sampelnya.
Agak tahu apa sih anak
Alright, from the textbook as your reference, you can open page 188. 188 on the textbook. That's the example of mind mapping. Langsung saja. Go on. Yes. You can erase here. You can redesign right here. Ready? Raise hand please. Yang sudah okay? Yeah. You can stand up. All of you. All of you stand up, please. Use this one. Okay. You can write down your group here. Group berapa. And try to memorize everything. Next, good. Who will be the next? I still You can change the color so it will more colorful. Next look, use this silence. Iya.
Siapapun nanti gitu, aku tinggi loh. Aku tinggi banget. Setiap beneran ya.
You can share your idea in that. Okay, you also have 5 minutes to write down the mind habit.
Itu di mana sih? Nomor 3.
Be ready for others group. You can see others in front of this group, and you can take their ideas and improve their way. Got it? Are you ready for the next? Okay,
Aku tuh gak nyambung sama dia. Enggak tahu. Aku kayaknya Cepat mau debat cepat.
One minute left. 1 minute left for group 1 and 2 minutes for group 4. Be ready for others group. Alright?
Kau mau mana sih sama apa?
Okay, enough. Group 1. Thank you, but that's not enough. That's not finished yet. You can take this way for the next session, next station. Doesn't we call as a station 1? We on the station 3. We will make a simple discussion. I have prepared some cards. You can put the paper in there. Who wanna sit on a hot seat? We can say it is as a hot seat. You duduk di sini satu orang hot seat. You, the other member, will take one card and ask the one who's sitting in here. Okay, the one who are sitting right here. Okay, you can ask the card. But if you don't want to answer that card, you can say pass. That's clear enough. Who wanna be the first? Sitting on a hot seat. Okay, you can choose the card. Choose the card and ask her the question. Pardon me if you don't hear. Repeat again, please.
Again, please. What do you usually do when
Ini gak sih? Itu cuma kita juga.
or do you usually do? When do you usually?
Okay, good. Weekend and also before exam. Next question.
Ada di monitor. Tekan itu kan milih ya kan? Oh iya.
Yes, I do. Next group. Okay, you can take it. Oh, sorry, go on. Hold on for the next group. Next, I will come. 5, 4, and 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Sit down. Good job. Group 4, you can go to the next session. Put the paper and the bracket. Go to the next
Siapa? Jerman. Itu punya Jerman, itu punya Jerman.
How long do you study every day? Every 3
Don't translate. Waktu apa yang menurut kamu itu jauh lebih fokus ketika kamu Oke, grup berapa itu yang belum ke I have 1 minute left, so I will count. Boleh change the
Mami ini kok belum
For the next section, you will write your wait for other people. Okay, last group, you only have 2 minutes to do that, and after that you can go back to your chair. Only 2 minutes from now. Okay, 1 minute lah. 1 menit lagi. Hello, Maria, please. You only have 1. You don't do that. You only have 1 minute to do this. All Okay, I will count from now. 3, 2, 1. That's enough. Thank you for all of the participation, and please sit down. Go back to your chair. Hello. Some groups from station 4. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Sit down. So, if you can see me in front of you, please clap 1. Again, everyone, if you can hear my voice, please clap twice. Okay. Sit down. Hello, guys. Boys, sit down. Well, class, if you feel worried, silent please, and listen to me. Silent please. Stop writing. Sit down. Stop writing and sit down. Hands up. Hands up. Okay. Boleh turunkan lagi. If you feel worried, ma'am, I haven't finished to write a mind mapping. Ma'am, I haven't have any experience to sit on a hot seat, and I also haven't write any notes in that station. Don't worry, because we still have other time for the next session, next meeting. Yeah, to be continue with the next meeting. Is it okay for you? Yeah, so can we conclude what we have done for today? What did we do for today? Okay, you write down my math and that. Ask some question on a hot seat. And the last, what did you write in there? Okay, reflection. Good. And you forget our first activity is a final circle based on the text. Yeah, you should read the whole of this text before you write down the mind map on the one. Alright, if you want to give me a star or for today's session, please give your feedback 1 for 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, and 5 star. Please give a sign by your finger in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, feel free if you can say it is only 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. Okay, I can watch. Give your sign, please, your feedback. Can you give me a feedback for today's activity? 1 star, 2 star, 5 star. Berapa? Okay, thank you. Okay, that's all for today. So after this, what subject do you have? Math. Thank you for your kind attention. Thank you for your hard working, and see you next Friday. Thank you, and you can go back to your class. Iya, sudah. Hah? Oh, boleh. Good morning. You are welcome. See you next time. Bye.
Nanti pensilnya yang saya pinjam siapa ya? Pensil? Oh sudah. Makasih itu.
Tadi kan pas seputar.
Ada pennya ketinggalan.
Sedangkan pernah sudah.
Sudah ada Bapak. Oh, enggak.
Kameranya ke sini.
Mau dipotong.
Masih ya, Mbak?
Terima kasih.